Hello viewers, it's a great privilege and honor to welcome a great personality, we can say versatile businesswoman. Reason why I'm saying versatile is she's a co-founder for Women Business Cult, and apart from that, she's an image and fashion consultant. Thank you very much. Indeed, it's a privilege and honor to welcome you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's a privilege for me also because right now I am at my member's studio also. She's Farina, you all know, and the studio is Purple Studio. So I'm very, very honored to come here, and it's a very important to make others know your story so that it can be motivational for everyone.
Fantastic, Anika. Since you're here, now we are with our 99 TV with the channel. Now, what I want you, Anika, because there are a lot of people who really appreciate you because they have gone through, because you've got a great thing what you have initiated like Women Business Cult. It's a great thing happening. Now, I want to know what is that? How you're getting all the women in one platform. What is that? If you can tell, all viewers will be very happy.
So Women Business Cult is a networking platform that we have created for all women entrepreneurs who want to do business. It doesn't matter it's a small business or a big business, because end of the day the mindset of a businesswoman is very important. And that's the main thing that we opened this, to make a platform there where all these women can come together, network and give each other business. But at the same time, we try to brush them up in the best possible way in terms of how important is branding for a business and whatever business they have.
So do you think what if I'm correct, if I understood rightly, are you selecting only business women, or any woman can join in your group? How does it work?
It's like startups are also there.
Oh.
But the main criteria about it's like if you have passion for something, if you are even a small business, like I said, even if even we have women entrepreneurs like who are just making face oils, face serums, or even just creams or soaps in that way. So it's not about how big your business is. Like I said, it's about the mindset of a woman. If she wants to do something in life, even if it's a small thing, we will help them to make it bigger.
Fantastic. So how this idea originated?
So like I am basically, my work is like I'm an image and fashion consultant. I am a woman entrepreneur. So but the thing is, I was not that blessed enough to have such a platform where I can showcase myself, showcase my business. So in that way, these 6 years of my work has gone ups and downs has happened. In the same way, my co-founder, her name is Deepika Maheshwari. So we both, for herself also, she is an amazing woman entrepreneur. So in that way, when we both one day sat and we spoke about it, that we need to have such a platform for women entrepreneurs where they can showcase their business, because we didn't have that. And I know how important it is to get a platform like that.
Very true.
And in our platform, we have nearly 50 to 70 women entrepreneurs. Now you can see that if a person has 50 viewers sitting there and seeing your work, what else do you want?
Fantastic. I really appreciate, the initiative what you have taken. It's really appreciating. Now, what's my question to you is, if there are few business women already, and if they want to come into your business, is there any restriction? Are there any registration? How your system works out?
Yeah, so the system is like, we don't believe in competition in a bad way, but competition in a positive way. So we have a place for more than one category. We can have 3 people. Like if you have designers, we can have 3 designers, not 4 designers, because we believe in collaboration.
All right.
Collaboration is a thing, nowadays it's not much heard of, but I think if you do collaboration of any kind, it will only give you benefit.
So when you have started this organization, when?
We started in 2020.
Okay.
Before Corona, of course.
Oh.
But then it didn't stop us. We started our virtual meetings till now, and touchwood, we had a lot of business going on, small, big, but we didn't stop. And now we would be having our awards for all those women entrepreneurs who worked a lot into it.
When is that? When is it award?
It will be mostly this February end.
So is that award for everyone or any specific category?
It's for all. It's called WBC, business awards.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah. Then when you started this women business cult?
Yeah, so we started in the year 2020 only, when
Okay,
it was
recent.
Jan 2020, before the COVID started. COVID started in March, April. So we have our monthly formal meetings where we have this formally set up, where each member talks about her work, and then we even have presentations for them. So from March we couldn't do that live things, but then we started our virtual meetings because we didn't want to stop, because it was just starting and why to stop on the business note. So virtual meetings went ahead, and too much business also happened, and I'm very happy about it that a lot of business happened even in the COVID times. Like
Oh,
we
really?
have, yeah. And in these from 50 women entrepreneurs, we have everything. Like you just name it and we have it. Like from interior decorators to event planners to makeup artists to designers to bakers, everything. So at that time, even we have a girl who just does something from her house, and she makes all these soaps. So she even started to make the sanitizers at home.
But
So-
during that time, you've
COVID
utilized.
time, yeah. So
that's
that's
cool.
what I'm trying to tell you. It's not about how small a business is, but we are looking at the mindset. Definitely, we have filtering of the members. We can't just don't take anyone, but it's important. Like I said, the mindset is very important.
So, do you think, Anika, you will mentor those young entrepreneurs?
Definitely.
You've got that system in your place?
Yeah, we have trainings also every month. Depends on different topics like branding of your work, social media. How now you all know
True.
that social media is very important, because nowadays the advertisements have gone away.
Very true. I
Nowadays
understand.
bloggers have come in,
True.
influencers have come in. So that's the main idea, to make them understand and making their pages. The photography of your products. That all is very important. So we train
So,
them.
Anika, like since you founded this, in fact, you have spoken, you have a co-founder, Deepika
Yes,
also.
yes.
Like you are helping them to reach from pin to plane, or how does it work out? For example, if a young businesswoman, she has come, she thought like, yes, I want to be with you, and she doesn't know about business.
Yes.
So you will help them on how the process
We
works.
will help them in every place. We will make them understand. And first of all, motivation is very important. Passionate, approach to work is very important. So that is the main idea. We even help them in terms of branding, like I said. Even if they want loans at any point, we have that set up also. So it's just about, it's not about making them go further, but together, if everyone goes further, it's beneficial for everyone.
Oh, fantastic, Anika. That sounds great. And we heard that you are a nutritionist also. So if you can tell our viewers, that will be of great support.
Yeah, so basically my work comprises, as I told, it's an image consulting. Now, image is the inner personality of a person, and the fashion comes the outer personality. So it's from your hair to your nail. So nutritional things also come in, because nowadays many of my members come, and many of my clients come in terms of losing weight. So personally, I believe starving yourself does not take you a long way,
Very true.
because that
Correctly
comes on your
true.
health. So I believe in a proper setup of the meal what you're having. Like I said, you should count your calories. You should see that you're having a good meal, a nutritional meal you're having. You're having your fruits, you're having your vegetables. And yeah, one tip which I can give is that you should not have carbs after 7 p.m. Protein intake is very important, and breakfast is the best. Like they say that you should have breakfast like a king.
Oh,
And
and
dinner-
lunch like a
Lunch
minister.
like a minister and
Dinner like a.
beggar.
Oh, she's correct. Yes,
Yeah.
very true. Very
Yeah,
true.
so you should do that. And basic idea is carbs.
Very
Carbs intake after 7, if you minimize it, it will be very good for your health.
That was very nice, Joe. So we heard about Anika's nutritionist thing. We heard about Anika's as a business woman. Now we want to know who is Anika.
Yeah, so Anika is basically, my mom was from Hyderabad, so Hyderabad is a very important connection of my life. And then I grew up in MP, Madhya Pradesh, and then I did all my studies and everything in Pune. I did my MBA from Ferguson College, and then I did my image consulting from the Tiara Institute. I even did my image consulting from Gloria Star. She is the top image consultant of USA. I did that online course. So yeah, and then I'm very truly blessed to have a very supporting husband.
Fantastic.
He is a banker, and I am blessed with a 9-year-old kid.
Oh,
His name is Arar, and my husband's name is Chinmay Khara. And I must say one thing, I don't know, but behind every successful woman also there is a man, and I believe in that, and I have been blessed with such a mindset of a very very good man who supports me in every way.
Fantastic.
So that's very important for anyone.
Fantastic. This is what, Anika, you understand the fact what, usually the trend, how it happens, if a successful man is there, there is a woman behind him. I mean, him, she's every, the proverb goes, but what she has told, I mean, it's very nice of her. She's very honest. She explicitly explained. She's not just trying to pamper. She's
Yeah.
talking the truth. She's saying that what she poses, like what she said is, I mean, she's so thankful, so happy to bless with a, I mean, wonderful person. I mean, you're of Mr.
Chinmay.
Chinmay Khara, such a nice person, and his cute son, Master Aurav. That's very nice of you. And I can tell you one thing, Anika. Really, a lot of people have spoken about you. A lot of women, who are into this WBC, they talk about you, they appreciate you, and that's the reason, I just want to meet you. And definitely, I really want to witness what actually this is all about. And the way what she had explained is very true. In fact, she's a great businesswoman. Why I'm saying this is what she has emphasized is now they have 70, I mean, into their group. Probably they are looking forward for thousands.
Yes.
Because her intention is not only just to index someone. They have certain rules and regulation. They monitor. They try to help. Even though if someone doesn't have some financial support, they help them to get a loan. Everything is quite clear. In fact, they probably are, maybe they will let us know when will be the business award summit. They haven't confirmed it, but probably she will be coming next and informing that. But what she mean to say is that since you take a lesson from her, reason I'm emphasizing this word is being a business lady, being a lady, she has, got, I mean, a son who she has to take care, and husband who definitely has to be taken care of that. Apart from that, she's got a noble cause of thinking that we have to create maximum women entrepreneur. That's a great thought, Anika. Indeed, I can say that if at all we have like this mindset, we can, conquer our
And I would
lovable
like to
country.
take this platform and tell all women entrepreneurs out there. And by entrepreneur, I don't mean you need to have a very big business. Even if you are just a small business, or you're a designer, or you're a makeup artist, or anything, you can come to our platform and we will support you in every way. You will have friendship also, because I don't believe it's like an organization, but I believe it's like a family. In this
Fantastic.
1 year, we have created a family of 70 women, and that's been very good. So, I would like all the women entrepreneurs, you can go to our page on Instagram. We have a website called Women Business Cult, and you can directly contact us, and we will be helping you in every and each way.
Fantastic. Now, thank you so much. One last thing, fans, followers who are really love to listen to you. So, if you can give them a one line statement.
Yeah, so I believe I tell you, I always believe in some quotes. I am a quote person. So I believe, that you should celebrate your failure also. We all celebrate success. But if you celebrate your failure, you will know where you're going wrong and right, and then you can walk on the path of success. So don't just, if you have failed in something, that's not the end. Because I don't believe in endings. I believe in, going through the path.
Fantastic. And this is what I want to say, because we just don't want to take much time. We are quite thankful she took out her time and she has come
Thank
to our place. Thank you so much. We wish you all the best. Good luck.